Hey guys, Andrew Tigranyan here, and if you want to see what completed and ready to move in projects in Phuket look like, then sit back, get comfortable and watch this video. Today I'm showing you Title Legendary, one of the largest projects in Bangtao area that continues to attract attention even after completion. Let's start with the location. The project is located just 550 meters to Bangtao Beach. This is one of the most premium lifestyle zones in Phuket. First, because of Laguna and its premium real estate, infrastructure and golf course. Second, because of Boat Avenue, where you can find shopping and dining street. Porte de Phuket, a big lifestyle mall. Of course, Blue Tree, with lots of activities, and famous beach clubs like Cage, Maya and Carpe Diem. So you are surrounded by luxury resorts, fine dining, family activities and nightlife. This is one of the most desirable places to stay in whole Phuket. Now about the project itself. 9 buildings, 7 floors each, 637 units in total. And out of these 600 units, only 60 units left from developer, and you can find a few resales from owners. This is a strong signal of high demand and attractiveness. Another strong signal is your like and subscription. It's like a fuel for me, keeps me motivated to keep creating more helpful content for you about Phuket real estate. Before we go deeper, let's talk about the developer. The Title is one of the most trusted names in Phuket real estate. They've been building here for more than 12 years. Rhom Bho Property is listed on Thai Stock Exchange, which puts them in the top tier of reliability. I've already made a detailed review in my previous video titled Chill about this developer, so check this out. By the way, this is their freshest completed project, and they have 2 new exciting launches, one in Carpe Beach and one in Rhom Beach. I have already made a detailed review, so check the links in the description. As with all Title projects, facilities are comprehensive. Clubhouse with co-working and meeting rooms, fitness, yoga, sauna and hot pool, cinema, kids club, game rooms, and lots of swimming pools with landscaped gardens. It's a complete lifestyle environment designed both for holiday stays and long-term living. Just a quick reminder, my service is 100% free for you and commission is paid by developers and sellers. So my only goal is to help to find you right apartment and the right place, so you can start a new chapter of your life here in Phuket. The project offers a wide range of unit types, so whether you want to buy something for yourself or for the rental, you will definitely find something that works. 1 bedroom from 40 to 52 square meters. 1 bedroom plus from 56 to 60 square meters. And 2 bedroom from 65 to 94 square meters. Here is how payment works. You have 2 options. First is to pay 100% upfront, and this is your apartment already. Second option, you can pay 50% down payment and another 50% on 3 years with a fixed 12% interest rate. Bonus option, if you're ready to pay full upfront and you want to rent out your apartment, the developer will give you 21% discount. It means after you start to own your apartment, the developer will rent it out for 3 years and you will have 60 days stay in a whole year. 30 days in low season and 30 days in high season. So depending on your cash flow strategy, you can choose what fits you better. And now the big question, is it a good investment? In my opinion, if you're looking for something for yourself or for something ready to move in that will start to work for you right now, this is the best option. On the other hand, if you're looking for some significant capital growth during next 2-3 years, you should focus on other projects here in Bangtao or in other areas of Phuket. There are projects even from big developers that are currently on Offplan stage and that then can offer you big capital growth during construction period. And again, if you're looking for the ready-to-move-in apartment, you just finished construction near the beach and you don't want to wait 1 or 2 years, this might be a perfect option. By the way, if you are interested in this location, but you want off-plan new project, there are actually two from the same developer, right on the left and on the right side from title Legendary. It is called VV and Modela. Text me if you want any details. So to wrap it up, 550 meters to Bangtao Beach, completed ready to move in project, flexible payment plans and family-friendly facilities. If you want full details, message me on WhatsApp or drop a message in comments. Thank you for watching and see you in next property tour.